what is configuration management, right? And when talking about this, we will also talk about what is infrastructure as code. Then we will talk about Ansible, and we'll understand Ansible's architecture, right? And then we go into much detail about Ansible, like how it works, how's the communication, authentication, and things like that. Then we will install Ansible, right? We will set up a one master and two nodes setup. All right, I'll use my AWS account to do that. Then we are going to um, install and set up, I would say, because it requires a little bit of configuration. So we will do that. Then we will talk about ad hoc commands, or before that, we'll talk about modules.